So good day, sir. I am Makinas Nato together with.
Gabriel Dalisay, his partner.
So for this session, we are going to record the task joining Windows 10 computer to the domain. So so first of all, let's start the Windows Server and Windows 10 synchronously. So before discussing about the VirtualBox, we've after we watch these videos, we found another video that is very helpful. It is updated. It's titled "How to Set Up Active Directory Domain with VirtualBox and Join Computers 2020." So, so without further ado, we are not going to discuss how we did the step-by-step things about how how the instructor tells the instructions. Then just a recap for what excuse me, for what we have done or did. We already did this domain css.uic.edu.ph to our Windows 10 Pro. Uh, Instead of using Enterprise, we have decided to use Pro since it is much lighter than Enterprise. And the installer of Enterprise is so hard to find. And the only thing that we didn't do for now is this user 1 and user 2, which so let's first see the domain. So here we can see it that we've already done this domain. So what we did to get the domain of ccs.uic.edu.ph is to input these things here, the IP address. The subnet mask is auto when you input the IP address. And then this default gateway. All of this comes from the Windows Server 2016 IP address. And the DNS server is the IP address of the Windows Server 2016. Just a disclaimer, we before going in, we did these things to the Windows firewall, which is my partner is going to demonstrate.
So first, go to your firewall settings, and after that, you have to close your firewall state and turn it off. Same with private profile and public profile and so forth.
Yes, that's all of it. And then click apply and okay. Thank you, partner. And then so after that, I just want to demonstrate where I get this IP address just to show it clearly. So I get I get it in here. I've got it in here. So in here we've got it in here, which is the IP address of the Windows Server 2016, the 10.10.10.10, and the default and also its default gateway, which is 10.1, as we can see in here 10.1. So that's it on how to set up domain. So let's move on. Now go on to how to set up user. So in here we have two users have that has to be incremented in the Windows Server 2016. So let's go on the Windows Server 2016. So let's go in here to add users. Let's click on Active Directory Users and Computers, and then let's wait for a while. So in here we can, after clicking, this will pop up, and then Let's click on users. So presently, I just added my name here. So to add a user, let go.
So first, go to your users and click right click, go to new,
That's right.
click on users,
Okay.
user, and fill in the necessary permission, example Clyde,
Slide. Hmm.
and
Just leave it blank. Tapos Balaman.
Balaman.
Then C
And
Balaman.
for the users, just do it si Balaman,
Hmm.
then click
Then
next.
okay.
After that, sir, unfortunately here, the password 1234 does not work. So we
Hmm.
opted to use another password, which is admin 2016.
Okay. Good. Good.
So let's go back, type in admin
2016.
2016 and confirm.
But first, we are going to uncheck this box, right?
So that,
Because
first uncheck this so that the user can keep his password
hmm, won't
and not
he
change it.
won't he or she won't change his or her password next login. Okay,
So
let's click next.
click next and finish.
Ooh,
Oh, so let's create another user, same procedure. Uh, okay,
Eric
names.
Emberda, Emberda. Okay,
Don't forget to uncheck this. Then same password.
wait, you forgot to uncheck. Okay.
And click
Oh,
next. Oh, oh, oh.
okay.
It's finished.
So I think that's it. We've added user. We've added domain first, and then now we've added user. It's actually three users. We can add more for my partner in the future. So I think that's it. Thank you, sir, and everyone who is watching,
Thank you.
and goodbye.
Bye.